Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2009 Chrysler Town & Country. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side. Just looking for any little imperfections, dents, stings, scratches. Do our best to point those out. Nice white paint. Of course, everything looks good. Maybe a little bit of dirt showing up from the construction next door. But overall looks good. A little fading on some of the plastic back here. Very minor. No major dents to speak of. This is the 25th anniversary edition. We'll stop and check those tires out for you there. Still have good tread left on those. Looking in the interior now, you do have full power for the driver's seat. Nice gray perforated leather. 99,788 is your current mileage. It does have AM/FM satellite radio, dual climate control, heated seats, lots of additional storage for the driver and front passenger. All the flooring is going to be gray. You do have power doors on both sides. We'll take a look at the second row here. Again, leather looks really nice. Nice captain's chairs, makes it real easy to pass through to that third row. Now you do have third row entertainment as well as second row. And one nice thing is they do have storage for your headphone units here, so you never have to worry about them rolling around the back seat. All the flooring back here looks really good. Looking in the cargo area, you do have a nice well inside this cargo area when the seats are in their upright positions. Now we can go ahead and put these seats down, just showing you that additional versatility you get with the stow and go system. Power door on the passenger side. One more look around. Seating surfaces look good. Again, one more shot of those DVD players. We'll finish up in the passenger seat. You do have full power for the passenger as well as the driver. One more look over the seating surface. One more quick look around. And that'll wrap up your 2009 Chrysler Town & Country.